much thought into becoming a professional product reviewer? As promised, I am going to tell you the first steps to becoming one today and even give you a couple of my secret strategies. Be sure to like and subscribe, with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss the important steps in upcoming videos. Once I have went through all of the steps I am going to give you in these videos, I plan to do a special live video to kind of put it all together and answer questions, because since I am currently ill with throat issues and I am doing these videos in steps with my robo voice, it doesn't do the plan the kind of justice I would like for it to, and in the live video I will be telling the mega secrets I won't be telling in these shorter videos as bonus content. So, in this episode we will start at the beginning and your journey will start at Amazon. You will need to have an active Amazon Prime account, and if you don't have one you can check out the link I have provided in the description to sign up, and I also have a special link for low-income families to get special discounts. If you don't have a current account with reviews, don't worry. I will tell you how to get past that in a few minutes. Assuming that you have an active account and you have purchases, you need to check and see if you have completed all of your pending product reviews. If you haven't, now is the time to get them all completed. Also, you might want to look over your previous reviews and see if you want to rewrite them. You can change or update your previous reviews at any time. Make sure that your reviews are well written and contain fair remarks about the product. You don't want to use words like junk, cheap, trash, etc. In any of your reviews, even if you don't have a good opinion of the product, you should still be fair. If you got a bad product and didn't contact Amazon or the seller for a replacement, then you are at fault. Always reach out if you receive a bad product, and most of the time they will make it right with you. Also, don't make the mistake that some people make by telling product details that are written on the product page. Nothing is more annoying than rereading exactly what the seller has already written, and if you can add pictures, even better, but not required. Your rating system is from 1 star to 5, and you will want to reserve the 5-star products for the very best products. It doesn't matter if it's a $1 item. If you are completely happy with it, then give it 5 stars. If it's okay right now but not very well made, you might be looking at a 3 or 4. I have a personal rule that if I have an item that is less than a 3-star item, I ask for a refund or replacement if possible. So let's say that you have never made any Amazon purchases, or you are just starting out with a brand new account. You need some reviews, and I am going to give you a way to get them that won't cost you a dime. But first, let's talk about your profile. You will need to set up your Amazon profile so that the sellers can find you. Put up a nice picture and tell a little about yourself, such as what kind of products you like to buy, what hobbies and interests you have, and most importantly, add the links to any websites or social media accounts you have that you want them to reach out to you at. Go to the Kindle Books section and sign up for a Kindle account. You will get a free trial of Kindle, and in that time you can choose from thousands of free ebook titles to download, and once you download them you can read through them and write out reviews on these free books, as many as you want. Book reviews are a big thing on Amazon because they are also a publisher, and many hundreds of thousands of authors publish books through them each year, and they are in dire need of reviews to sell their books. Many of these authors will offer copies of their ebooks for free for up to 5 days as a promotion. Look at the description of this video to get the link to the book freebies. This will all attract the sellers, and they will reach out to you and ask you to review a product. For some people it happens right away, and it takes a while for others. Well, written profiles and good fair reviews are very attractive to the sellers and companies who will be searching for good reviewers to reach out to. The more reviews you have, the more attractive you will be to potential connections. This is only the first steps to getting started, and I have a wealth of information for you in upcoming videos, but doing the things I have talked about today will get you on your way. In the beginning you may only be asked to review ebooks, and that is a great start, so don't turn that offer down. You will probably not make any money like this, and it's actually against Amazon's rules to accept money for reviews, so don't worry about that just yet. I will tell you how to get your income streams flowing in an upcoming video. As I mentioned in my previous video, 2 beta students I was teaching actually quit their jobs on week 2 because they were making more than their jobs paid already, and they weren't doing any extra work yet other than getting stuff in the mail and writing reviews while their other income machines were working in silent. For a bit of perspective, I'll give you another strategy I like to use. You should look through some of your favorite products and read the reviews that other people have written, and look for reviews that you like or dislike and note what your thoughts are on them. Foul language, unfair emotion. The trigger words I mentioned at the beginning of this video are big-time no-nos. Pro and cons lists are excellent to see, and while I don't always do them, the reviews I've written that had a pro and con list were some of my most helpful rated reviews. One last little secret before we end this session. Anytime you see a review that you consider to be of value or well written, give that review a helpful vote. There is a special reason I mention this, and I will fill you in on that when I do the live stream, but trust me, it's well worth the extra second it takes to hit that helpful button, because it helps the other reviewers and helps you as well more than you might realize right now. Put it this way, if I didn't hit that helpful button every time I saw a good review, you would not be watching this video right now. It's that important. I have so much more to tell you, but I have to wrap this up for now, so take my advice that I have already given you and get to it now so you will be ready for the next steps. You may even get offers immediately, so be sure to check your spam folder and all messages on social media accounts. If you get an offer before my next video, feel free to reach out to me by commenting on this video or using the contact page on my website, and I will help guide you through the process personally. I will get the next episode out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you have an amazing adventure with product reviewing. Take care, stay safe, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe with the notification bell.